Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and right there somewhere on your notification panel you will see the torch icon. In my case the torch icon is here on the left upper corner of my notification panel. So just tap once here on the torch icon, the icon will blue, and that means that we just activate our flashlight. So that's how it looks, and if you want just to turn it off, tap here again on this icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.